Namaste culinary adventurers. Welcome back to Rebel Foodie. Today, Around the World in 80 Dishes brings us to the heart of India, a land where spices dance and flavors sing. We're on a quest to explore the soul of Indian cuisine, curry. The essence of curry. In India, curry is not just a dish, it's a symphony of spices, each playing its part to perfection. From the aromatic north to the fiery south, every region offers its unique take on this beloved staple. A tapestry of spices. The journey of curry begins with spices. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, and many more, each adds its distinct hue and essence, creating a tapestry of flavors that is the backbone of every curry. The art of curry making. Making curry is an art passed down through generations. It starts with tadka, tempering spices in hot oil to unleash their full aroma. Then, ingredients are added layer by layer, simmering slowly to culinary perfection. Diversity of curries. From the creamy butter chicken of the north to the tangy fish curry of the coast, and the vegetarian delights of the west, Indian curries celebrate the diversity of its people and their palates. Curry in culture. More than a dish, curry is a reflection of India's history, culture, and communal spirit. It's a dish that brings families together, defines celebrations, and transcends borders. Our journey through India's curry landscape reveals a world where culinary traditions are cherished, and innovation is welcomed. As we continue, Around the World in 80 Dishes, let's savor the rich tapestry of flavors and stories that curry brings to our tables. Thank you for joining us on this spicy voyage. Stay tuned for our next culinary adventure. Until then, keep exploring the flavors that unite us. Happy eating!